Ron Ananian, the car doctor. We're underneath a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee servicing the transmission. This is the one. We've talked about it on air. We've talked about it in the shop here, you and I. And this is the one with the plastic trans pan. I'll give you a better shot of the new one in a minute. But this transmission pan, let me turn around. This transmission pan has the filter built in. Here's the filter inlet. This goes up to the valve body. There's the suction side, pulls the fluid in through the filter, up, right? But all plastic, okay? Plastic trans pan, a mere $300 some odd at a Chrysler. This is takes special fluid, 8-9-speed fluid, 8 to 10 quarts depending. The fluid that was in this was absolutely, the word is putrid, all right? It's, Danny will get that. That's the fluid there, that black stuff, looks like engine oil. Okay, and here's the really great observation. 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets, right? They've got the pan is loaded with magnets. You think they're worried about the trans coming apart and putting particulate where it don't belong? So I don't know, but we're in the day and age of new technology. Plastic trans pans, built-in filters, $300 filter kits. Special fluid, and then as Danny and I were just saying to each other, look at the solenoids. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 of them. Look at all the little bolts, and you think all that stuff had to be tightened correctly? Yeah, not for the faint of heart, guys. And I say this in all sincerity. You know, transmissions have gotten very complicated. Respect them, service them on a regular basis, because here's one that, well, this fluid's supposed to last forever, and it's just not great looking. So anyway, Ron Ananian, the car doctor, here with Dan, the SBW. I'll tell you what that means at another time. And we're both in the shop today. We'll talk to you guys on radio. See ya.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the car doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.